Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to format time with text function in Excel. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see I have a data, the time list. So here I'm going to use the text function. Simply select the cell, use the is equal to, enter the text. Okay. And here the text function is selected, then select the time, use the comma in double quote, enter here the double H in small letter, H indicate the hours, then use here the colon, again use here double am indicate minutes, and give the space, used here the am, then give the slash and pm in double quote, bracket close. Okay, that's it. Press the enter, and here you see your time format is done. So I just copy this format and paste here the below cell, and that's it. This is a way you can easily format time with the text function in Excel. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.